Hey, it's Gary. Welcome back to the Scott 3D shop. Today we're going to do a video on edge banding. We'll call it Edge Banding 101. So let's get into the tools I use and the materials I use. So first I use this from right here from Edgeco, and it's called Easy Edge. It's a self-adhesive backing, and it's edgecoinc.com is where I get it. Very, very good material. I've never had anything lift on it. I use this right here. This is my edge trimmer. It's double-sided. It's fruit. I get that at Woodcraft Supply. This roller here also Woodcraft Supply. It's in the edge banding section. And same for here. We have Fast Cap. I use this to cut my ends. I've had this for 10 years and it still works as good as new. Excellent tool. Then the other one is a tool I developed. You can see the panel just stands up here free and clear. So I've always had an issue where I'm always making wood supports, but they break or they shrink or whatever, expand and shrink with the weather. So I 3D printed these. I developed these myself, and they hold panels. I do like 24 inch tall by 84 inch long panels, and it holds them. Just two of these, super easy. I sell these on my Etsy and Shopify page. And it's going to be called the Edge Banding Helper, and they're $14.95. You have to buy them as a pair, so it's $14.95 for two. So I'm going to show you how simple this is to use. As you can see, so I have my panel. I like to use, when I build cabinets, I like to use this imported, pre-finished birch plywood. It comes, finished on two sides. It's great, especially doing interior cabinet parts or whatever. So here's my two tools with the panel, and you can see it just stands all the time, easy. Edge banding, peel and stick, as I said, right? Sometimes if I'm doing long pieces, I only peel a part of it just so it doesn't stick to anything else. Start putting it on, kind of use my hand as a feeler gauge just to keep it even on both sides. Hand stick it first. Cut my ends. Take my trim tool, double-edged. Roll it. There you have it. Perfect edge banding.